Good morning, children. Let us start chapter number 10, Respiration in Organisms. Why do we respire? We respire to get energy from food. Food contains stored energy. When we respire, food is broken down in the cells of our body with the help of oxygen and energy is released. Respiration, it is a process by which food is in the form of glucose, is broken down in the cells of the body with the help of oxygen to release energy. Since respiration takes place in the cells of the body, it is also known as cellular respiration. Let us see the equation of respiration. Glucose, when combined with oxygen, it releases carbon dioxide, water and energy. You can also see the chemical formula of glucose. C6H12O6 is the chemical formula of glucose. When it combined with oxygen, O2 gas, in the cell, it releases carbon dioxide, CO2, plus water, H2O, and plus energy. Energy is in the form of ATP. Types of respiration. There are two types of respiration. They are aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. First, aerobic respiration. It is the respiration in which glucose is broken down in the presence of oxygen to release carbon dioxide, water and energy. It takes place in most of the organisms. Glucose converted into carbon dioxide plus water plus energy in presence of oxygen. Second is anaerobic respiration. It is the respiration in which glucose is broken down in absence of oxygen to release alcohol, carbon dioxide and energy. It takes mostly in bacteria and yeast. Now glucose converted into alcohol plus carbon dioxide plus energy in absence of air or oxygen. In anaerobic respiration, in our muscle cells, glucose is broken down in absence of oxygen to release lactic acid and energy. So glucose in absence of oxygen produces lactic acid plus energy in animal cells or in muscle cells. Second process is breathing. Breathing is the physical process by which oxygen-rich air is taken in and carbon dioxide-rich air is given out with the help of respiratory organs. The taking in of air-rich oxygen is called inhalation and giving out of air rich in carbon dioxide is called exhalation. Breathing rate, the number of times a person breathes in a minute is called breathing rate. Number of breaths per minute. When a person needs more energy, he breathes faster. More oxygen is supplied to the cells, more food is broken down and more energy is released. Mechanism of breathing, or how do we breathe? The respiratory system helps in breathing. The main parts of the respiratory systems are nostril, nasal cavity, windpipe, lungs and diaphragm. Breathing involves the rib cage and muscular sheet below the chest cavity called diaphragm. During inhalation or breathing in, the chest cavity increases in size and the diaphragm moves down and the air enters into the lungs. And during exhalation or breathing out air, the chest cavity reduces in size and diaphragm moves up and the air is pushed out of the lungs. In this picture, you can see the human respiratory system consists of nasal cavity, pharynx, larynx, trachea or windpipe, bronchi. These are the subdivision of the trachea, the lungs. Mechanism of breathing, you can see from this picture. First is exhalation, giving out of air. During exhalation, you can see the diaphragm get upward movement and the chest cavity moves down, and during inhalation the chest cavity moves up and diaphragm moves down. Now these are the model to show the mechanism of breathing. White tube is taken. Let us consider white tube as trachea and bronchi. Now during expiration or exhalation or breathing out of air rich in carbon dioxide, what happened? Volume decreases inside the lungs. A balloon is considered as lung. Belly jar, you can consider it as the chest cavity. So during expiration or exhaling out of carbon dioxide rich air, volume decreases and pressure increases and air leaves the lung. And during inspiration, the volume of the lung, or in this case balloon, increases and pressure decreases and air from outside enters through the nostril or nasal cavity. What do we breathe out? The air we breathe is a mixture of carbon dioxide and moisture. So let us have one activity. Take a test tube and pour some lime water into it. Insert a plastic straw into the lime water. Blow air through the straw into the lime water. The lime water turns milky. This shows that air we breathe out contains carbon dioxide. Second is, take a mirror and blow air on the mirror. A film of moisture is formed on the mirror. This shows that air we breathe out contains moisture also. Breathing in other animals. First is cockroach. Cockroach or cockroach-like insects breathe through small openings in their body called spiracles. The spiracles are connected to air tubes called trachea. Oxygen-rich air enters through these spiracles and passes through the trachea to all cells of the body. And carbon dioxide from the cells passes through the trachea and spiracles out of the body. Earthworm breathe through their moist skin. The moist skin help in the exchange of gases. In fishes breathe through gills. The gills have blood vessels which help in the exchange of the gases. And fishes dissolve oxygen in water. So continuously it take water through the mouth and it releases the carbon dioxide rich water through the gills. Respiration also takes place in plants. Plants also take in oxygen from air and give out carbon dioxide, opposite to the process of photosynthesis. This oxygen is used in the cells to break down glucose into carbon dioxide and water and releases energy. The leaves have tiny pores called stomata which help in the exchange of gases. And also root hair help to take air from the soil.